Whew. It's been what, 2 days?
2 days.
2 days. So, K&M Workshop again.
I'm Mike.
I'm Keeper. We just want to touch on gun safety. How you should store your guns, where you should store your guns.
Directly in the open, loaded with a round in the chambers. That way the kid can grab it, right? And
See, no.
No.
At least put it somewhere outside of reach where they can't climb and get to it. Either have it unloaded, have the ammo separated in different spots, and
But preferably
have it in a safe. Have a muzzle lock or a muzzle guard, something to prohibit anything from discharging.
But of course, there's my opinion on gun safety. Once the child's old enough,
You teach them. You
you
teach
teach
them
them gun safety.
Exactly.
Because, if they are aware of the dangers, they're less likely to say they do get into your safe somehow.
Yeah, well, you're not as worried because they know how to handle a gun properly.
Right.
Treat every gun as if it's loaded.
Yep.
Know it's beyond your target.
Yep.
Like stuff like this. When you're finally old enough to learn, that's awesome. But until you get to that point,
Yeah.
keep it safe.
Which is where your kid's at right now, which is why we're doing it gun safe.
Yeah, and time lapse.
Time lapse.
So stay tuned.
Unless we fuck up and then we'll break to talk about our fuck ups.
Of course.
All right, Keeper.
Awesome. So, slight issue.
We already messed up.
Yep, this back piece needs to be 180. Completely the other way.
So, unscrew 10 screws, flip it around, rescrew 10 screws, try again. He's already bent it, by the way. He went Hulk smash over here and has bent it up.
It's fine. We'll time lapse it so you don't have to endure the pain.
Because this is how you do. I can't even tell if I'm in the camera.
You might be too tall.
It's a curse. All right, so we've assembled
Amazon safe.
a child-resistant safe.
Yeah.
Is essentially because it's not going to stop a person. I
No,
don't
it'll
believe.
stop. It'll serve its purpose.
Yeah. Okay, so having assembled this,
We have extra parts,
as you should,
as you should, because I'm not bolting this
to anything.
resistant device.
We should bolt it into the ground.
No, you can push the thing over and break it.
Okay.
But
Review your Amazon product.
review. We need like little sticker labels on there.
Tell
to
me what's
Z.
up and down.
Tell me what's up and down.
Tell me what part
what
I'm doing.
screws are which.
Are which?
Other than tell me because the only way you know what you're choosing is the quantity. There's 24 of these screws. Well, it has to be this one.
There's a lot of trial and error going on here. We're like, I also did not like the fact that it came with a shitty Phillips head screwdriver that was too small
for everything.
Yeah.
Well,
So out of 10, what'd you give it?
a 4.1.
4.1.
It's because it works and it does the job.
Does what you purchased it for.
And I have extra parts
that you can put
that I'll put somewhere else.
Somewhere and it'll just live there.
So
All right.
that's K&M.
That's
today.
K&M. K&M flimsy gun safe. Woo!
But it works.